Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually share your meals with other people. So, first of all guys, you have to open this application which is Myfitnesspal in order to do that, which is you can find it on iOS App Store if you have iPhone if you have Android you can just go to Google Play and download from there. Or else if you have PC just like I am, you can just go into any kind of browser. For example, for me, I'm using Google Chrome, and then you go to this URL section, and you just have to type myfitnesspal.com and this page shall be opened. Now the page will not be looking like that because the first time you open it, you will have no account. So creating one is very simple. Creating an account in this website is pretty simple. You just have to put your email, password, and then some information about your body like weight and height, and then your date of birth and your goal. After that, this page will be opened. So now what you're gonna do is how to share meals. First of all, we have to actually make a meal. So if you want to food here, you will find that you will have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. So for me, I have already made some for tutorial. Let me just remove them real quick. As you can see, so now I have a blanket spot. Now what I can do is add food. For example, orange juice. Let me just do some random stuff. So orange juice, let me just add this and add this here. Now let's go back. Let's add, for example, eggs. So I'm going to choose egg from, I think this one. So I checked and I will go back here for lunch, for example, pizza. And let's choose whatever pizza. So for example, this one and add to diary. Here we add, for example, Coke, Coca-Cola. So for example, here it is. We add this as well. We can add for dinner here, like I don't know, chicken, chicken for example, maybe chicken breast. So we'll do the job. So we add it, and we add with it, for example, or no, we can add with it like 2 cups of water, 4 cups of water. So here it is. Let me just remove this. Here save and 4 cups of water, and just like so we have our meal ready. Now how we can share it, just go here with your report, and if you have the premium account we will be able to select, for example, two range of days, for example here and here, and then you will see all the results and you can basically just print it and share it with other people. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.